speed, and the quality is without doubt, unbelievable.
GPS is located in Dudley, in central England. Dudley was one of the birthplaces of the Industrial Revolution in the 19th century. GPS was founded in 2002, and their business has grown each year.
My name is Jeff Paul. I'm the Managing Director of the company, and the company was founded in 2002. We have currently 15 employees. We use aluminium, all different types of steels, plastic coating materials, enormous amount in different thicknesses as well. We mainly work in construction, but we also do medical equipment and also a lot for stainless steel products. Our company's strength really is because of the machines we have. We can deliver quality product on time in either small quantities or massive quantities. Our biggest reputation with our customers is that they trust us to produce the components accurately and on time.
Let's take a look at GPS's history and find out the reasons why the company has been so successful.
After the first couple of years of running the business, we soon found ourselves up to capacity on the machines that we had installed. We were mainly doing punching and a small amount of bending, but we wished to get into a different area, and so we decided to purchase a laser machine, which was the X1. After having the X1 installed and finding how good the machine was, I was then invited on a trip to Paris with AMADA. During that visit, they showed a video of the new AMADA family feature, and this video was basically what we had gone through 12 months previously. I did the correct thing in buying our first AMADA machine. In 2010, we then purchased a new press brake, the HFE. We achieved a massive order, and so we ended up doing 16,500 panels for the Silverstone pit lane complex.
In 2011 I was very fortunate to be invited to Japan to the AMADA Tool Plaza to look at the fibre AJ, which had just been released. My expectations were incredibly high for this machine because I'd heard so much about it.
In 2014 we decided to invest in the ENSIS. This gave us greater area of punching, faster and efficient punching action, and enables us to open up a bigger area for other products.
Did GPS consider any other manufacturers for their business growth?
We never considered any other manufacturer other than AMADA, purely because we have entered into this AMADA family feeling with AMADA. This means that we know that the backup service is excellent, and we know the machines are excellent.
As the company grew, GPS took their business to the next level.
When we visited Euroblec in 2014, one of our main reasons for going on the trip was to look at the ENSIS. And then we saw the machine cutting, and we were impressed with the speed, the stability, the edge quality was phenomenal, thinking we need this machine in our lives.
In 2015 we decided that the ENSIS was the perfect machine for us. Fibre technology, which was becoming the thing to have rather than CO2, and also low power consumption.
After discussions with our accountant regarding the power savings of the ENSIS, he'd advised us that now was the best time for us to spend money, which I think is the first time he's ever said that to us.
The speed and the quality is without doubt, unbelievable. We found that a lot of production time now has been speeded up, which allows us to take on more quantity and also expand our customer base into different areas.
Because although it's only 2 kilowatts, it can cut thicker material more reliably than our 4 kilowatt CO2 laser. This was a completely unexpected benefit, but as you can see from the ENSIS, you always get a very good edge, and as long as the material quality is good, your edge quality will always be fantastic.
What are the biggest effects after installing the 2 kilowatt ENSIS fibre laser machine?
Biggest impression I've got since we've installed the ENSIS is the fact that it's a 2 kilowatt machine compared to a 4 kilowatt machine that we have, and it hasn't restricted us on material. In fact, it's opened up that area with the inclusion of copper and brass. I've watched a certain amount of parts on the X1, and so I know that when they come off the ENSIS, this is much quicker. That enables us to increase productivity. And also, because the majority of our work is on a just-in-time basis, we don't have to worry now about meeting customer deadlines.
Furthermore, people at GPS found additional benefits with the ENSIS.
The major benefit we found with the ENSIS is obviously the power consumption. Our X1 machine was in a standalone unit and it cost us approximately £2,900 a month. And also we've noticed over the last 8 months that the average power consumption bill has been reduced by over 50%.
We have found with the 2 kilowatt fibre ENSIS, the maintenance schedule is greatly reduced over the CO2 machine, which means we can get more productivity out of the machine, probably 50 to 65% more.
Machine backup and service are vital to GPS's success.
When we had the 2 kilowatt fibre ENSIS installed, we also took the opportunity to have the AMADA digital service system in place. We found this to be hugely beneficial because it can offer real-time monitoring remotely over the period of a month, and then we can look at the data to see if there are any problems that might be occurring. The whole package gives me confidence in the future to know that AMADA will be beside GPS to only improve things further.
Continual investment and business partnerships are the driving force for growth and success at GPS. We asked Mr. Bowl about his future plans.
The main vision for the future is to expand into much larger premises and to be the best manufacturer of sheet metal work goods, particularly in this area, and we can do that with the AMADA machines.